Welcome to A Cama, a heaven of sophistication tucked away within the prestigious surroundings of Punta Mita, Mexico. A Cama is an extraordinary 9-bedroom villa for rent, perfect for families or large groups. It is within the exclusive Ranchos community, boasting panoramic views of the Bay of Banderas and Marietas Islands. Designed by acclaimed architect Manolo Mestre and styled by award-winning designer Joaquin Toms, this luxurious retreat features expansive living spaces, heated infinity pool, oversized hot tub, rooftop skybar, spa, in-home cinema, and direct access to the finest swimmable beach in Punta Mita. Elevate your getaway in this bespoke villa, a true testament to refined living.